Okay, what up guys? Antonio back. Whoa. Okay, what up guys? Antonio back here again with another Lego video. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a Lego rubber band gun. It shoots these kind of rubber bands. You loop them up together because they're not that big, but there should be some that big. And I'll show you this, how to make this like this in the next video. Or I'll make it in this video. Let me see if I can untie this though. Let me just see if I can untie this. So tight, so small of a knot. Look at that, look how small that knot is. You can barely see it. Let's make it focus. 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 Just try to untie it. But okay, once I get more rubber bands like this, once I go to like the dollar store again and get these, I'll show you guys how to loop it up and make it like this. It's like only like a 3-step thing. Okay, now I'm gonna show you guys what you guys are gonna be making in this video. This is how to make a Lego rubber band gun. See? Doesn't look like it, but I'll show you guys how it works. Okay, without a rubber band. This is strong. This is for the ones that is not looped. This is strong with both of them. You go like this, you pull it all the way back, you put both the ends right here, you pull this trigger, and then this part pushes the rubber band off, and then it sends it flying. Sorry. I just woke up like a couple minutes ago. So without further ado, let's get on into the video. So first, you're going to make the handle. You're going to start off by taking a 2x3 and two 2x4s. You're going to stack them up together like this. You're going to put the 2x3 right there on the bottom. Then, you're going to take two more 2x4s, but now you're going to miss a gap like that. Just put the other one on. Okay, now you see you missed the gap. You're going to take two 1x4s, or if you have a 2x4 smooth. A 2x4 smooth is this. It's just like, looks like that. 2x4 smooth looks like this. Okay, so let's stop talking about how to do that, and let's go make the video. Okay, so you're gonna put your 2x4 smooth or your 1x4 smooths right here, and you're gonna have two more. You're gonna have space for a 2x2, but we're not gonna put a 2x2 right here. Two studs. It should equal 2 studs of hanging off. Now, part 1, step 1 is done. So put that to the side. We're gonna need that to make it. Now we're gonna make the barrel thing, and we're gonna attach it to this. First, you're gonna start off by taking a 2x10, making or taking 2x10, and then you're gonna put a 2x6 on the bottom like that. Then you're gonna just fill this whole front part with smooths. You guys could pause the video if you need to. Now this part's done. So you're going to take your handle, you're going to stick it on like that. Then it's going to look like this, kind of like a gun form. Now we're going to make the cocking mechanism. You're going to take a 2, I believe a 2x12. Let me see you. Yep. Make or take a 2x12. A 4x12. Make or take a 4x12. Then, on top, you're going to make a sight that looks like this. And then you're going to put 2 of these 1x2s, but only has 1 stud in the middle. Then, you're going to just cover this around. But, let me show you guys something in this. You are not going to cover the front 2 studs like this. You're not going to cover it. Same thing once you go over it again. You're not going to cover it. Watch. I need to show you guys something. You guys could forward the video if you guys need to. And I'll shoot it at the end, just to show you guys how it works. So, okay. Now this is what you're cocking. You see, I did not fill both of those up. Now, we're almost done. It looks like that. You're gonna put the backside on that's covered right here. Gonna need that part on here. Because if you put it on this side, look. Can't come out. And look at that. That looks stupid. So you're gonna have to keep it. See, this is the thing I hate by putting 1x4s. You guys are better off putting a 2x4. And then you're gonna keep it like this. So, now we're gonna make the trigger. We're not done yet. We gotta make the trigger. Okay. First of all, you're gonna take a 2x4 with the skinny 2x4 skinny, not smooth, with tiles on it. Like that. Any color. It doesn't have to look like this, but I don't have specific colors. Then you're gonna fill up the middle right here, just 4 studs with 2 bricks, or 4 bricks, or 1 brick. 4 bricks is 1x1, 2 bricks is 1x2, and 1 brick is 2x2. 2x2 is this. Now we're going to put this 2x2 on the bottom in the center, right there. Now we're going to put a smooth right here, that you had right here. You're going to need to fill it up. This part, fill it up right here, this middle thing right here, with smooth. Not the whole thing. Now, you're going to take 2 1x2s, like that. Then you're going to put it on your gun until 3 studs pop out. To an equal of 3 studs. Let me just check this out. My other one. Yep. It got to be an equal of 3 studs. So if you made it like this, if you have 1x2s, I recommend putting that because it will be super easier. Look, like this. You see? It's going to be super easier. You're going to find out super easy. So, I recommend using 1x2s on this. If you don't, you're going to have to start from here. Go 1, 2, 3 steps back. And then the one before that one, you're going to put this one on. This on. Now, let me get my ammo. I have a lot. Show you guys. Lots of ruby buns. I looped them together. Now, Ooh, I'm in my room, so that thing looks. You're probably saying, watch. You're probably saying that thing right there, that brown thing, looks like a dookie, but it's not. It has my magnets in there. Okay, so now we're gonna take our ammo, place it. Okay, so this is where you put your ammo on. You're gonna put it on those. This is strong, and the middle, the one before that one, is like kinda. Put it there. No, put it on. Then you're gonna put it through here. Then you're gonna loop it on right here. Now watch this. I'm gonna shoot at the camera. See rubber band? Did you guys see a ricochet? Did you guys see that in the background? Yo! Where is it? Where's my bullet? Where's my bullet? Can't find it. It ricocheted too far back. See, that's just to show you how powerful this gun is. So, that's how to make a Lego rubber band gun. And I'll see you next time. And peace!